So today we finally installed our 3-inch exhaust. I remember last year around October, whenever we installed the alpha header, I meant to grab a 3-inch catback with it, but everything was out of stock and on back order. So what I did was I just bought the Kteller kit, link in the description below if you want to grab it, and just built my own 3-inch catback. It's a lot cheaper than buying the like $700-800 catbacks. This only ran me probably in the shy 400, so definitely worth it there. So today I'm going to give you guys a full video of showcasing that setup. Like I said, we got the Skunk 2 Alpha, and then we have a 3-inch Kteller stainless steel catback. It does have a resonator and a muffler, so keep that in mind. It's not the loudest setup, but it sounds good and it's great for daily use. All right, there it is from the back. It's the vibrant muffler with the tip. Then it goes down around. There's the resonator, and then all the way up, and it hangs pretty low. And then back here. Setup, it's pretty good. It's pretty good for multiple reasons. First reason, it sounds great. It's not like overbearingly loud like a straight pipe. It has a nice tone, which is perfect for what I want it for. You pair it up, I mean, any 3-inch is going to sound good with a decent header. You just got to do it right. You got to do your resonator and you got to do a muffler. If you don't do that, it's going to be raspy and loud no matter what. I think it's completely worth it. Completely worth it to go ahead and just pair it up with a resonator and a muffler. It's still like, it's not like loud, but it sounds good loud. If you guys know what I'm talking about, the difference, it's got a really good tone to it. One thing though, if you're gonna do this, that I really recommend is having a good welder, because if you go with the Kteller custom kit, you have to get it all welded up. It's not just a direct bolt on. So what I recommend is whoever welds it for you, make some extra hangers and welds it, because the exhaust does hang really, really low. And even now that my exhaust is, you know, they've welded it a little bit higher, it still drags on, you know, a lot of different things like speed bumps, like any angles. I still drag. It's not terrible where I bottom out and rip it off, but I still drag on it. So that's something to look out for with this. Another thing is clearance. I guess it kind of clearance with the frame. You only have so much room with the 3-inch. You're really pushing the envelope with the 3-inch, where when you hang it up and tack it up, it's going to be like millimeters off from the frame, which is why you can hear this one I have bouncing off the frame. I think it's the resonator, the bottle style of the resonator I went with is a little too big. So when it vibrates, it'll vibrate up and it'll hit the frame. That's why you guys heard that at the back on the tip part, it rattles and it's not fully secured. It's really hard to get this exhaust to be fully secured. If you run like a custom resonator like I am. Honestly, if I were to do something different, I would go with a smaller resonator in diameter, I guess, with the bottleneck to prevent this, because it does get really, really annoying if I'm at a stop sign. If I'm idling at a stop sign or a stoplight, you'll hear it. It'll be really bad. Other than that, that's like my only complaint about this setup. Other than that, though, it's beautiful. It's truly beautiful setup. Like I said, time and time again, you get a good header, you pair it up with a resonator and muffler, any 3-inch is going to sound absolutely great. I will say though, this doesn't sound as good as the Mega Power RR, for obvious reasons. Obviously you get what you pay for. However, it's pretty dang close. For the price, if you know somebody that can weld, and you're fine with that, this is definitely a really good alternative to waiting, you know, like months on back order for those Skunk 2 exhausts, or paying $800 for one. So this is an option. It's a really good alternative, and if you're looking for that, I really recommend it. But like I said, I would get one thing. If you're going to take something from what I did and learn from it, whatever resonator you pair up, make sure the bottleneck is smaller than what I have, or just small in general, or else you're going to get the frame, it's going to hit the frame and rattle. Other than that, and I mean 100% honestly, other than that, it is by far one of my favorite mods I've done to this thing. It sounds so good. I get a lot of compliments for it. Everybody likes it. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys next video. Don't miss next video. I got a huge surprise next video. So be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Leave a like. Comment what you think of this exhaust setup. Comment what you do different. Comment what you have on yours. And I'll see you guys next video.